will see one exercise problems related to transaction price allocation. Appliance Center is an experienced home appliance dealers, and they offer different type of services along with all those products they sell. And they sell ovens on a standalone basis. They also provide installation and maintenance services for ovens. However, they don't provide these installation or maintenance services to the customers who buy ovens from other vendors. Now, these are the pricing options. If you buy the oven only, you have to pay $800. If you want to do the installation, it's $850. That means $50 extra for the installation. If you want to do oven and maintenance, then $975. That means $175 extra for the maintenance. Now, if you do all three, that means oven, installation and maintenance, then the price together will be $1,000. So looks like if you get all three, you can save as a customer. And they can also provide the oven independently, which we already know that the price is $800. And they also have some maintenance service which can be separately priced $175, and installation we also figure it out $50. Now here assume that a customer purchases an oven with both installation and maintenance, and they take the last option, which is for $1,000. Now it is probable that the installation of the equipment will be performed satisfactorily to the customer, because there is one information: if a customer purchases an oven with installation and the appliance center does not complete the service satisfactorily, the customer is only entitled to refund of the portion of the fee that exceeds $800. That means if a customer purchased all those and the installation is not satisfactorily, then they have the option to get the refund for the installation. Now they know that the services will be performed satisfactorily, and we have to now figure out how many performance obligations are there. We have to identify the separate performance obligations, and the total transaction price is $1,000, and we have to allocate it to three components. Now look at that. Here oven, we can identify it as $800, and with that they have installation and maintenance. Although Appliance Center does not provide any installation or maintenance services to other customers, those who buy ovens from other vendors. But here, if you look at these scenarios, all three are separate performance obligations. So here, basically, you have three separate performance obligations. Now, we will see how we can allocate the prices. So total price is $1,000, so we have to split it among the three components, and we will do it proportionately looking at the standalone price. So for example, if you would like to purchase the oven independently, you would have to pay $800. If you would like to get the installation by taking the differences here, it will be only $50. Now, if you would like to do the maintenance, you can compare $800 and $975, and they also have a separate standalone price for the maintenance. It's $175. So the maintenance cost here is $175. So if you would like to do these three service standalone prices, you will see that the total cost is $1,025. Now we will see the proportion for each items. Oven $800, and you divided by 1,025. Installation $50, you divided by 1,025. Maintenance $175, you divided by 1,025. Now this is the fraction if you would look at the total standard price, and the last step is to allocate this $1,000 based on that proportions. So these fractions will give you the proportions. Now we will take that proportion from $1,000. That means we will multiply these three items by $1,000. That's our combined price, and this is how we are allocating the total $1,000 among three items. So if you do the oven item, 800 divided by 1025, and then you multiply it by 1000, so the price or sales revenue that they should allocate to oven will be 780. Let's do the numbers for installation. 50 divided by 1025 and multiplied by 1000. It will be approximately here $49. You can round it to the nearest dollar values. Maintenance 175 divided by 1025 and then you multiply by 1000. It will be $171, and if you add all those it will be $1,000. This is how we are allocating $1,000 among those three separate performance obligations.